When an insurance company says your car is a total loss, your next steps. If an insurance company has told you that your car is a total loss, you may not know what to do next. Do you disagree with what the insurance company has said? Are you dealing with the other driver's insurance company or yours? Does it matter? We're going to take a look at this now. Will the other driver's insurance company pay for the damage? This all depends on whether the car accident took place in a no-fault state in addition to the type of coverage that was being used. No-fault states. If the accident took place in a no-fault state, it means that the insurance company will pay for some specific damages. This is irrespective of who was at fault. In some no-fault states, car accident claims do no work alongside no-fault rules. What this means is that you can claim against the driver who caused the accident. In other states, the liability for a car accident will be based on negligence. This will mean that the insurance company will pay for the damage if it is clear that someone was at fault for the accident. Collision coverage. Collision coverage is a supplemental insurance coverage that will cover all damage to your vehicle. While this type of coverage can be quite expensive, it will pay out regardless of who was at fault for the accident. This means you can make a claim against your insurance company's coverage if you are involved in an accident, even if it was your fault. Who will pay? If your car is damaged in an accident that took place in a state that does not use a no-fault rule, the at-fault driver's insurance company will pay for the damage. If you were responsible for the accident, your insurance company will only pay if your car was covered by collision coverage. Please make sure that you check your state's laws so you know who should pay out if you are involved in an accident. If you are still unsure, you may want to speak to a car accident lawyer. How much compensation will I receive? Insurance companies will only pay up to the limits of your insurance policy. This means that if $15,000 damage was caused to your car but they only have $10,000 worth of property damage coverage, you will only receive $10,000. The only way that you would receive the remaining $5,000 is if you had collision coverage. When the insurance company says your car is a total loss. If the insurance company says your car is a total loss, then it will pay the car's fair market value. This market value will be calculated on the day the accident took place. An insurance only has to pay the market value of the property, which could be hard for you if you are still paying off a car loan. What's more is the insurer has to sell your car on a secondary market so it can recoup some of the losses. You may ask the insurance company to let you keep your car, but they are unlikely to do so. Please read our article Owing Money on a Totaled Car, the next steps for more information. If you disagree with the valuation. If you do not agree with the valuation of your car, you may want to negotiate with the insurance company, or you could consider filing a lawsuit. If you wish to file a lawsuit, you should speak to a personal injury lawyer that specializes in car accident claims, and you should do this as soon as possible. Irrespective of whether you choose to negotiate with the insurance company or sue them, you will need to have a reason for disagreeing with their valuation. You will also need concrete evidence that shows the car was worth more money than the insurance company claimed that it was. The evidence you will need to show is the car's actual value and the car's actual condition. Please read our article What is the actual cash value of a vehicle? For more information. One of the best ways for you to prove that your car was in better condition is to have recent photographs of your vehicle. If your car has had some major upgrades, you may want to think about photographing your car on a regular basis so that you can prove the upgrades existed should you need to. Another way to prove the value of your vehicle is to get your car viewed by a qualified appraiser. They will then make a decision as to how much they think your car is/was worth.